To create a Canva, there are two ways how you can do this. If you want to create a Canva manually as a video format, just simply go to the create a design option. So I want a GIF for my Instagram, so I'm going to look for that. So all you have to do is just search for animated Instagram, and then you will find that by default it will have an animated Instagram post, and it will be 1080 by 1350, and this is the exact one that I want. For you it may be different if you want to upload on Facebook, Pinterest. Depending on the platform, just simply search that and you will get the result over here. And now it will give you a blank canvas over here. And then just simply add your video over here. So all you have to do is simply go to the option right over here. Then just simply choose the duration option and just simply add your video over here. And that will start playing on the canvas. Now, if you want multiple videos, you can add them as well. And after that, make sure to adjust the duration as well. So for that, all you have to do is just simply click on the canvas, just simply go to playback and increase and decrease the speed over here. And also enable this option, which is going to be play on repeat, and then increase the speed over here, and that will make it much shorter. So this is the first way of how you can create a video into a GIF. And now let me show you how to create an entire GIF from scratch. And for that, all you have to do is just simply go to the elements option and then pick elements from here and then drop it on the canvas and then create your own GIF. So let me give you an example. So if I search for meditation over here, so this is just for example, let me show you. So as you can see right over here, I just simply created a simple GIF of a meditation. And just like that, you can simply create a GIF from the elements section over here too. So I have already made an entire GIF over here, as you can see. And now I'm going to show you how to export a GIF. And this will work for both video and elements. So all you have to do is simply go to the share option, then go to the download section, and in the file type, click on it and choose GIF at the very bottom, and then click on download. Now wait for a few seconds over here. Now after that, just simply save your GIF to a location, and then your GIF is all done. So if I open it, it will open as an image, but it will be a GIF, as you can see right over here. So that's how you create a GIF in Canva. And if you would like to get the subscription of Canva, you can get the link in the description box below. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.